Hey guys, it has a little pattern on it. How fine. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. I am Shakay. I am a Jamaican Christian YouTuber and I do lifestyle vlogs. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so that you'll be notified when I make more videos. In today's vlog, today is going to be, as you see from the title or the thumbnail, it's going to be a collective vlog. So it's just a vlog of what's happened for this week. If you guys enjoy, like, share, please comment throughout the video and I'll see you guys at the end. I am ready to go. We are gonna be heading to Kelly's first and then head into Kingston afterwards. I'm not gonna be bringing the camera with me, so I'm gonna be vlogging on my phone. So yeah, I don't know, when I think about going to Kingston with my camera, I'm kind of scared, so I'm not bringing this to Kingston. No. So I want to show you guys my outfit. I'm going for like a white vibe today. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this morning we kind of went to the police station to have like a devotion with them and stuff. So we just got back from that. Dad's eating and then we're going to head into Kelly's. I need to go to the pharmacy and then we're gonna head into Kingston to get some water and then probably pick up a few things. I don't know. So yeah, let me show you my outfit for the day. This is the top. It's like a Puma top, but I don't know if I see it. Might have to come closer. So it writes some Puma business punny. So yeah, Puma. So I have on a Puma top. I have on just some regular jeans, not the baggy one, just the regular foot jeans. I have on my Adidas sneakers, and then for jewelry I have on these pearls. Got on these pearls, and I have on my smartwatch, and I changed the band to white. Yeah. Then I put on this necklace. My sister gave me this necklace, guys. Isn't this so cute? Look at that. I don't know, it's just so cute to me. So I decided to put on silver because it looks cute with white. So yeah, this is the bag that I'm bringing. It's just a simple white bag. Yeah, nothing too fancy. And I have like, I had to like put my umbrella in there because the rain is falling. It's been raining, so got to carry the umbrella. So yeah, that's the outfit of the day. I'm about to head out the door, so I'll see you guys on the road. I'm gonna bring you guys on the phone, so don't mind that. Goods. Shani can what a wire. I found my own. So we're coming to our haberdashery, go look some cushion covers. I'm buying some stuff for fall. I'm gonna show one of them. Yeah. So for my aunt. It wasn't planned, but yeah. So this is what this store has. They didn't have a lot of the fall stuff that I wanted. I just wanted like a few stuff. So got these. Alright, so I'm trying to find a gift for a friend. I don't know what to get. You never know if it gets when it comes on to gifts for people. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna get like a human lotion set or something. I don't know. This is cute. This is cute. What do y'all get for like friends' birthdays? Because I'm always terrible at that. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I'll get some. Okay, so I ended up putting it back because we can't find out for Jody. It took up my ear. That's it. Hey, Mom. Trying to find poly bag. So we business. Hey guys, so I'm back home. It is currently 4:45. We just got through the door. I'm tired, but I'm alive. Anyways, so just wanted to show you guys like what I got. I think I was showing you guys in the store, but I don't know if I'm gonna see good. I bought a pack of hair because I'm gonna need to put my hair probably Wednesday or tomorrow. Wednesday or Thursday. I'm not sure. So got that. Now I want to do some fall decorating for October, so I bought some stuff. So yeah, I got this. I got 3 cushion covers because I already have like in the house. We have curtains that I can put up that matches the fall vibe, as well as sheets and blankets, but I don't have cushion covers. So I got some cushion covers. This is like a light brown, tan. I don't know what color is this in the comments. Let me know because I really don't know. And then this is more brown. It has a little pattern on it, if you guys can see it. Yeah, so, and it's kind of thin, but it's not like me ever sleep on them, so these are just for decor. And then this was my favorite. This is like a burnt kind of orange-ish. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but it just looks fall vibe-ish. And if I do need to add on something else, I do have a brown one, brownish. Yeah, so yeah, right now this is what my bed looks like, all in my colors, purple, yellow, and just bright and preppy. But I wanted it to be kind of earth tony for the fall, so I want to do it for October. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do Vlogtober, guys. Like I'm not at work. I said I want to try and do Vlogtober, so this will be a part of my Vlogtober stuff. My mom got like a iron board cover. Yeah. So yes, I stopped by. We stopped to get some groceries as well, as you guys saw. So I'm gonna pack out those right now. So these are my fries. I'm poor, but I like girl fries. And nice.
Last one to see me, people.
Last time, till I saw miss her.
Hi.
Ramen to try. How do you pronounce this? Buldak. I got kimchi.
What is that?
My next kind of ramen, but I don't know name kimchi. We just want to try them. Sister is home, as you guys saw, and she worked me out. I'm trying to stop working. Anyways, so what is that? Anyways, she want me to make this. like not bad honestly. And then so I'm gonna make this. So let's see how that goes. We're gonna start with this one. It's not bad at all. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday the 23rd of September and I just showered. I was doing some stuff this morning, just nothing too vlog worthy. I did I typed something and then I cleaned the kitchen and then I went to shower and I'm ready. So yeah, I'm not going anywhere actually, but just decided to say I have these long sleeve shirts that I hardly wear because it's always so hot, and it was raining yesterday. I haven't seen, well, it rained like a little bit today but not much, but the breeze has been blowing and it feels a little bit cool, so I decided I'm gonna put on my sweater. So I love sweater weather, people. I love sweater weather, and that is why I love Christmas so much, because it's normally cooler and you know I love long sleeve. Yeah, I love sweaters. So I just put on this gray long sleeve shirt and a shorts and my thumb just to hide me my granny plait them with my video. Yeah, so it is currently 1:25. So it's 1:25. It is past my lunchtime and I'm gonna try the Buldak Tom Yum Buldak ramen. So here's the thing, I don't normally make ramen soup because I don't really like soup. I like the noodles, so I normally drink like the cup soup. So yeah, I don't have a tripod at the moment. One of them is kind of, well, we have one tripod but it's kind of broken to make the camera ready, and then the other one I was using it at the church and it made me feel walk over and I think I damaged piece of it, so I say, you know, if not damage the rest of it and I need it to use over there, I'm just gonna give it and let them use it over there and I'll buy next one. So at the moment I don't have it, so I'm gonna prop you guys up right there. So in the bag I see the ramen. There's a little bit of ramen from this. Let's see. Look a bit bad. Not bad. That's bad. Anyways, so I see the ramen. I see flake. I see a powder and I see the sauce. I think I was reading it earlier. I know the sauce. I don't remember what I'm doing, honestly, and it doesn't come with any instructions. Oh, lie me upstairs. So add noodles, sauce, blah 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 into a dash of boiling water and cook for 5 minutes. Ew, we should have boiled water first. Take it back out. Take it back out. Take it back out. I didn't know read before, but I looked for it doing earlier before I started. I said I wanted to know if there's any cooking instructions, so I looked at the bag, but apparently they're underneath, so if they fall for me, I look. Alright, so this is what the noodles looks like. It comes with the sauce, it comes with a powder, and I don't know what the powder is, and flake. Also don't know how to flake it, so we'll see when we open them and all of that. So I'll show you the end product when I'm done. This is what it looks like. This is it. Let's try it. Hot. Very, as it says. Guys, this is beyond. It has been a pepper on my lip there. Looks so red because this is beyond pepper. It's nice, but the pepper do the pepper. I'm not eating it with some pear. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday. Do not mind my hair. I'm doing another video which you guys will see after this one, where I'm doing my hair and stuff like that. But right now I'm gonna be cooking the kimchi, so I'm going into the kitchen right now. Hey guys, this is the kimchi. I did add a little pear just like yesterday. It doesn't seem like it's as peppered as the one yesterday. I'm gonna taste the soup part of it first, which is not much, people. It's not spicy, which is good.
It's actually cool.
Not spicy at all. And I don't know how to use chopsticks. People don't come at me. This is gonna be the end of this vlog. Would I buy back the Buldak and the kimchi? Honestly, yes. The kimchi kind of tastes a little bit like the ramen women I like to that, but it have a different taste, so I kind of like. So I would buy it back and kind of not put it like a soup, because I think that was what I think that's what I do with the ramen. Why I mean I like it. I mean I like soup. Good. So I would actually make it like I did the buldak. I did have a little bit more water in the kimchi today, so I'd probably make it without so much of the watery vibe, so it kind of feel more noodlish than soupish. But for the buldak, I would buy a different buldak. I think name, let me know if I'm pronouncing that. If me I pronounce it properly, you know, say something in the comments, help me out. I don't know, but yeah, I'd buy probably a different one, because that one was super spicy. But then if I did see yesterday, like my lips were so red. Yeah, spicy. So yeah, so yeah, I would repurchase. Honestly, would repurchase, and I think I'm gonna repurchase. So yeah, so thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, like, comment, share. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing down below. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next vlog.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.